In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Facebook dating. So to change your age, you first need to change your age on your actual Facebook account, and then it is going to be reflected on Facebook dating. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, press on your profile picture, then you want to see this button that says edit profile and just select on it just like so. All right, then you'll see this section that says birthday, and all you want to do is you want to press on the pen icon right over here. Then what you guys can do is you can go ahead and select on this option that says edit your birthday, and then it is going to redirect you to the account center. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And once you're here, you're able to input your actual birthday right over here. And then you want to press on set and then save after you're done with that. And then your age will automatically update in Facebook dating. But there are a few important things to note. Number one, you are not able to change your birthday too often because Facebook does limit the amount of edits you do make to your age. So please make sure that you actually put your actual age. And if you entered a fake age before, fixing it might trigger verification. So it might prompt you to like upload your ID and stuff like that. So again, keep that in mind. And then your updated age will reflect everywhere, including Facebook dating. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.